Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I am going to show you a very cool and powerful USB hub, Ugreen's 40850. It has 4 USB Type-A outputs that supports transfer rate up to 5 Gbps. An extra Type-C power terminal placed at the rear of the hub can provide power when connecting powerful peripherals such as large capacitance hard disks. This feature is supposed to let you charge your smartphone with some additional power through the smartphone charger. Let's see what is inside the box. It has OTG support too. You can use this hub onto your phone that let you use any USB peripherals you like. One of the major advantage of this hub is the cable length, that is 1 meter, almost equivalent to 3.3 feet. The design and build quality of this product is top-notch. There is also a blue light indicator when it gets connected to mobile or PC. Let's check the data transfer speed of this hub. At first, we connect a pen drive that supports USB 3.2 Gen 2x1. Then we connect an external HDD that supports USB 3.2 Gen 1x1, formerly known as USB 3.0. Now we will send same files to both the devices. This sample file size shown as 6.46 GB. As you see, the USB 3.2 Gen 2x1 device performs more well than the USB 3.0 device. And the peak speed is almost 60 megabytes per second. That shows how well this hub performs in real life. That's all for today. If this video benefits you in any way, then please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon.